Vidya Bharati is an organization run with a family feeling, said Shri Yatendraji. Teachers of Mohali Vidya Mandir went to Mansa Devi Mandir. Shri Rajendraji distributed panchangs to the workers of Vidya Dham. Sukhmani Sahib recitation in Malerkotla while new session started with Havan in Bhikhi. Now the news in detail. 27th of March, Vidya Dham Jalandhar. Vidya Bharati is an organization run with a family feeling. The responsibility of all of us in our organization can be anything, but we are all equal. Due to this feeling, Vidya Bharati is ready to cross the boundaries of the country and play its role at the global level. There is a demand from many countries to open Vidya Mandirs of our own system. We all work in the office of Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab, but we are also playing a global role. We shouldn't consider ourselves alone. These words were said by Seh Sangathan Mantri of Vidya Bharati Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Sangathan, Honorable Yatendraji, in the prayer of Vidya Dham. After the prayers to Ma Saraswati, the State General Secretary Dr. Navdeep Shekharji introduced Honorable Yatendraji. It is worth mentioning that Shri Yatendraji stayed in Vidya Dham the whole day and guided the workers in various meetings. On this occasion, along with all the employees and workers of Vidya Dham, the state's organization minister, Shri Rajendra Kumarji, was also present. On 29th of March, teachers of Shri Jitendra Veer Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Mohali went to Mansa Devi temple and bowed to the goddess with devotion. All the teachers sang bhajans of the goddess there. Principal Shri Vijay Anandji told that before the start of the new session of Vidya Mandir, the blessings of Devi Mata have been taken. Due to this, there will be no hindrance in the session 2024 and 25. On the occasion of the beginning of the new session on 1st April, a program was organized in Vidya Dham. In this program, Sangathan Mantri Shri Rajendraji distributed the panchang of the session 2024-25 to all the workers of Vidya Dham. After this, sweets were distributed. And the distribution program, Shri Rajendraji, while talking, said that very useful facts have been collected in this panchang for the students. He further said that this panchang should be given to all the components of Vidya Mandir like Acharya Didi, Students Management Committee, etc. Recently, the new session was started with Sukhmani Sahib Path in Malerkotla Vidya Mandir and with Havan in Bhikhi. After Shabad Gayan and Ardas in Malerkotla, the students securing first, second and third positions in the annual results were awarded with prizes. On the other hand, wishing well for the new academic session in Bhikhi CBSE Vidya Mandir, the management committee, principal, teachers and students performed Aarti by pouring oblations in the Havan. Now, one photo, one news. Komila Rawat of 43B Chandigarh Vidya Mandir won gold medal in shot put in Uttarakhand Yuva Manch athletics meet. Teachers, students and parents participated in the Samarpan program at Begowal Vidya Mandir. General Secretary Navdeep Shekhar visited Hajipur Shishu Vatika on 28th of March. 4 students of Bhikhi CBSE Vidya Mandir were selected by ISRO for Young Scientists.